Welcome back, guys, to Crypto Millionaire. Today I'm going to talk about Feg Token, talk about the tokenomics generally, and give you another update in terms of where we are currently in the market. Talk about some of Feg news, and it won't be a long video, it'll be quite short, to the point, and just giving you a brief update really. First and foremost, Happy New Year to all my subscribers. Thank you for 2021. Really appreciate the support. And I think we've all had a fantastic year. I'm hoping that 2022 also brings us a lot of joy and happiness in the crypto community. So with that said and done, let's get straight into it. So Feg is now on 150,000 people's watch list. It is starting to raise some attention in the market. They are very new. We only launched in 2021. So, end of the day, Feg are very new in the sector, and within that short space of time, you have to say Feg has done really well in terms of the marketing drive. Even the Twitter followers are over 250,000, I believe, and they are starting to build that market attention. It always takes a new project some time to get the gears ready in the market, I say, and then you don't need to hold that horse back. It starts to go and just run with it. So Feg generally, in terms of the token, it hasn't been performing fantastically, but today is a positive day. So within the last 24 hours, it's up 6%, just over 6%. So that's a good sign. But it's really a fantastic time to start accumulating. So, when Feg was mooning, when it initially launched, you're pretty much getting what you would have paid $600-700, well, even $1,400 at sometimes. At one point, a 60 billion amount of Feg tokens would have been worth around $1,400, okay? Or I believe $1,200. That today is equivalent to around $250 or $200. So you can see the difference in terms of price and the entry. So you can put an entry, you can put a nice amount of Feg tokens into your basket and start accumulating. It's a great time to accumulate, and it has been very much a time of accumulation. I would say right now for the Feg token. I also like to clear up some misconceptions around Feg, and some YouTubers I've seen are calling this a meme project, and I like to say that, okay, it may have a meme looking, a gorilla, and that's a vibe that they've, given to the community in terms of, the feed every gorilla, and given that that impression. And it's more of a marketing thing, really. I mean, and that's why some people can have a bit of a confusion, but it's actually a real strong project. They are building smart DeFi, with the Feg exchange and so on, and it's a very valid and solid project, and that is why I would like to bring you to my next article. And this was literally, it doesn't get bigger than Nasdaq, okay? So this is an article which some may have covered already, and I've been out of the market. I've taken a break, I've come back in, but just like to give you guys, my subscribers, a bit of an update. And if you haven't come across this, I like to bring it to your attention, but I like to delve into it and trying to clear up the misconception with some of these YouTubers calling this a meme project with no solidness behind it. Well, it is definitely a very viable and solid project, and Feg are here to do the business, okay? And if you start accumulating your basket, I'm sure you will get the rewards. It's been put on by this particular analyst, okay, at Nasdaq. 7 best cryptos to buy before 2022 if you dream of getting rich, okay? It's a big statement, right? And the article is written by Faisal Humayun, and he's published it in roughly 2 months ago, I should say, or just say a month ago. We just started January, November 16. And the article goes through some crypto projects, okay, which he's picked as the best for 2022 to make you rich. And Feg, believe it or not, is on Nasdaq's radar. So this is phenomenal. So you can see, look, it's second. Feed every gorilla. Now, Feg USDT is there. And, so they got a couple of tokens there. They got the market move, it's triple C, market move, which is the ticker, sorry, is MOVE, MOVE. You got Feg, which we're talking about, Inshore DeFi, the Internet of Energy Networks. You got RARI governance token, RGT Decentraland, Mana. As we know, it's literally, it was within the 0.70 mark for a number of months, okay? And as soon as Facebook started to change the name to Metaverse, it just, all the Meta tokens, literally their whole, that version 2 of Earth, essentially. And if you guys haven't heard of Earth 2, they were one of the first to really build this kind of mega kind of metaverse, and tokens like Sand and Mana were so low, and they just all started to shoot. And I kind of feel that, Feg may have that sort of impact in the DeFi space, okay? It's really cool to see that Nasdaq, one of their analysts, has brought this to, a lot of readers' attention. So this is no joke, this is a really prominent platform. And here we go. So Feg, feed every gorilla, Feg. Feg token seems like another name among the best cryptos to buy for 2022 that can deliver multifold returns. And what a statement to make, eh? The idea behind Feg is to provide a decentralized transaction network which operates on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20 and the Binance Smart Chain BEP20. I believe that there are two important reasons to be bullish on the token. This is his words. First and foremost, Feg is developing a smart decentralized finance. In the last 12 to 18 months, decentralized finance has boomed. The total asset locked in decentralized finance are likely to be excess of $200 billion US. With Feg intending to bring further improvements and innovation, the opportunity is significant. Furthermore, Feg is a hyper-deflationary token with a current supply of 42 quadrillion. While the supply is high, there is a continuous burn on both the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Each transaction triggers a burn rate of approximately 1%. And this will reduce the supply over time. Additionally, the holders are rewarded with a 1% tax on each transaction. This might not seem significant in the short term, but would be meaningful, which is really important to see, the long term in crypto, if Feg token provides multifold returns in the next 6 to 12 months. So as you can see, he goes on to say a lot of good things. Feg project was launched in 2021, which I've already mentioned, and the Feg team believe that they are still at the 30% of development work. Once more innovations are introduced in the form of smart DeFi, the token has a massive upside potential. So in a nutshell, he's briefly gone through the token and what we are building in Feg, and it's a phenomenal sort of upside to kind of look forward to. And I believe 2002 is the year that Feg token will really take off. So that's the update I wanted to bring to you guys' attention. And end of the day, if you look at the tokenomics, if we just if we start buying, if we start accumulating now, it's a fantastic, January is a good time to accumulate, I say, before the market, takes off again. And we just need to drop 2 zeros, essentially, if we accumulate smartly to become Feg millionaires, as I say. So good luck to you guys out there, and Happy New Year again to all my subscribers. And I wanted to bring you an update on the Feg token and that latest news from Nasdaq, which is a fantastic to kind of consider to buying Feg. So with that said and done, until the next video, I'd like to catch up, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll catch up very soon. Bye bye.